Thursday's Australian Financial Review, an advertisement by a German software company called SAP, selling accounting. Feelings is the title. The future of business has feelings. Get ready to love the future of business. Business needs to do more than just track operational data like costs, accounting and sales. Business needs to understand the experience data, the beliefs, the emotions and the sentiments of customers and employees. When businesses connect experience data, we're calling it X data. And when it connects with operational data, we're calling that O data, runs this ad. This will turn customers into fanatics, products into obsessions, employees into ambassadors, and brands into movements. Adrian's read this ad. He knows that the time is right for what he has in mind. His father was a tax lawyer.
James, as you're the economist, and they're renowned as not being dismal. So
what unlike knowledge managers.
So what do you have that's not Malthusian? What advice do you have?
Well, I think what you need to do is you need to work out where you want this to go.
And then we can get the next round of funding, and it's just sort of like a magic money tree. I might call myself WeWork or Uber.
Yeah. But isn't the problem when we come to that second round of funding in particular? The buzz is over, so what are you actually going to do?
Yeah.
How are we actually going to apply this in such a way that creates enough value for a group of people or an individual or a political party to sign checks or send it?
Isn't it just mine?
No. It's not yours yet.
And I'm really concerned that your ability to take on this opportunity has come through your role as an executor in your father's estate. And the first thing that you need to set aside is that your personal interest in developing this opportunity has to be seen to be distinctive and separate from your role as an executor.
Well, the first thing is, Adrian, what assets do we own? Because in terms of, I've got this statement from you of what's going for probate, I've got physical assets, but I've got no idea of what are the underlying assets in terms of the knowledge assets.
Well, does it even go through probate? Wasn't it owned in discretionary trust? Doesn't that skip probate entirely?
It does in those sorts of things, but there may be some ownership by your father in terms of his original authorship and some other things, which may go back into. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have a talk to Michael and go back to David and to James and say, right, what is the list of assets that our late father had? And then we have to work out whether in dealing with those assets it's going to be the estate that's dealing with them, and perhaps we have a very nice neutral tax transference to you and your sister, or is it something which the trust and other family entities own, and you've actually taken them or hijacked them from those legal entities and may have caused some form of commercial transaction.
And just before Michael answers the question, Chris ponders for a moment, thinks for 5 seconds, and then says,
really from an accounting perspective, it sounds like generating a financial report for your organisation is going to be important because of potential investors and so forth. But if you already developed the software and it's already currently not on your books, then it's not going to be on your books from an accounting standards perspective, because you actually already incurred the costs, and from an accounting standards setter's point of view, that those costs would have been expensed through your company already. So we can't jump out the block. As good legal advice from Michael Perkins has actually highlighted, we have these concerns about control too.
it's about at that time that Adrian decides this Australian complexity is not with him, and he goes to the Caribbean, he goes to a tax haven and does his stuff and gets his money and moves on. That was a happy ending.